Hi guys, welcome to my channel Full Travel Rucha. Today I'm going to show Primark haul and also go and check out my previous video in which I have went to Primark after lockdown, Primark downtown Boston. Now look at my shopping which I have done from Primark. Wow, look at this top, the seamless top. Look at the color, like black and brown. We can wear this in like different blue jeans, black jeans, and it is really comfortable and it is only for like $9. Look at this. And it is really good for summer. And I have also taken like two colors in this, like a white color, which everyone should have because whites go with every jeans and it's very nice and it's very comfortable. And I have taken other color which is a beige color and which has little bit of like a leaf feeling, and you guys can pair it with some half pants or with the blue jeans, white jeans. Check out the which other top do I have. Oh wow, check out this color, minty green color, and it is little bit baggy. Also check it out from the back, so nice. And I'm really loving this color, and this is just for like $12. It is like very nice for the price range also. Let's see what next I have. This top, which is the sea green colored top. This is only for $10. It is really nice and really comfortable also. The other top which I have taken is this one. It is like purplish blue and it is little bit deep and it is also long. Check out from the back also. This is also little baggy, but I love this top and it is for like $15. Now let's check what I have next. Oh wow, I have a half pant which is, the color is polka dot, which is really comfortable and I can pair it with white and black top, and the material is really good and it is for like $12 to $13. I forgot my price, sorry. And I have taken a different color in this also, which is the green color, and this is also really comfortable and I will definitely pair it with a black top. I will show you when I'm wearing this top. This is also for $12 to $13 and they had like many colors in this, like white, beige, purple, and also in different designs. Next I got a palazzo flan. It is a striped color pant and it do have a belt over it. I'll pair this with this top, the white top which I have shown you previously, and this is for like $15 and they do have colors in this like yellow, mustard, white, black. Do go and check out. See what I have next. So it is a black jeans which everyone should have in their wardrobe, black and blue jeans, and the price range is only like $7 and I only wear Primark jeans because they are really comfortable and they are good quality jeans which last for long. So next I bought two denim jeans. These are also for $7. This is little bit light. I love light color because we can wear with different tops, and everyone also should have one light color jeans. And the other one is like little a darker shade than that. I also love this jeans and this is also for $7 and it's really comfortable. Next, let's check out the shoes collection. I brought this leopard print slide and you can see it has a beautiful chain design over it, and this is just for like $13. Look at it, it's so pretty and I think it is going to be really comfortable. Next one is this one, which is a flip flop and this is really light. We can wear it on a beach and it is a price range, I guess it's like between $10 to $15. I don't have a sticker. I have white stone sandals, the flat ones, and these are the range of around $10 to $15. I will give you the exact range in my description. Do check, and you can wear with this like in a gown, or you can wear it during the function. And if you're watching from India or any Asian country, you can wear out with some dresses also. I have this beautiful crystal slides. You can wear with the Eastern dresses, like if you're from Asia, and you can also wear it over here, like it is really fancy. It's very cool to have in your wardrobe, like some crystals sandals. And this is only for like $13. Next I have this green slides. This is only for like $10, and you can wear it at home, or you can wear it in the beach or anywhere. It's really comfortable, or you can wear while traveling also. Let's see what next I have. I have a tri-color scarf, which is really nice and really comfortable also, and this is just for like $7, and we can wear it this way also. See, it is looking really nice, right? Now let's check out the bag collection of Primark. Look at this bag, the black color camera bag, and it is only for like $7. The original price was like $12, and now I got it for discount. It's really nice, and it's really spacious from inside also. And I also like the chain which it has, and as well as the belt, which is really long. It's so nice. And the other bag which I've taken is this one. The color is really nice, the mauve pink color. I love the handle also, it's really nice. I love the shape. I can take it this way also, and it do have a long chain, so I can carry it on the side also. And it has a lot of space inside, so I can carry my phone, water bottle, and my makeup as well as. And it is only for $11. It is like really nice for this price range. And the next bag which I have is the grey bag, which has the scarf over its handle, and it also has a long stripe, so that we can keep it on the side also. And it also has a lot of space. I love this, and I got this for discount. It's like only for $5. I love this one. Let's check out what next I have. I have a makeup pouch which is of pink color. You can store your makeup brush inside this. Also, you can keep like a lipstick also while traveling out. And this is only for like $5. And now I'm going to show you my night dress collection, night suit, night wears. I brought this night dress pant, the pink pant. It is really comfortable and baggy also, so we feel comfortable while sleeping. And these are only for $7. I brought other color also, which is the blue color, which is really nice. And I've never seen these two colors in night dress, so I brought these two pants. Night suit. Now I will show you my pajama suit. Check this out. The minty green color. These are the pants, which is really nice, and it has a leaf print on it, and it has a plain top, which is really nice. And this together is for only $9. Really nice. And the other set which I have is the blue one. See, the pants are really comfy, and it has cloud over it. It's like really nice. And this is also for like $8, and you can see the top also. It's really nice. And see the top also, and it is written "Shah, don't wake me up." That is so nice, right? And the other set which I have is this one. This is also a blue color, purplish blue, I guess. And look at this pant, it's so nice. And look at the print also, it has like gold made over it, that is really nice. And I also got this set for $9, it's so nice. And this top is like plain, it's really good, so nice. And next I have a gym pant, which is a green color pant. It is really comfortable. We can use during the workout, and it is very nice. And it is only for $6. Now I'll try on all the clothes and show how it's fit me and how comfortable they are. Guys, if you like the blog, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Food Travel Rucha. And also go and check out my previous blog, and I post my blogs on Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM EST. Bye guys, have a nice day.